Good morning, students. Today, once again, I am here to explain the next topic of the chapter 6 algebraic expression and identities second. The today's topic is division of polynomials by factorization. How can we divide a polynomial by using factorization? Division of a polynomials can also be done by factorizing the dividend and divisor and subsequently cancelling out the common factors from the numerator and the denominator. किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल को हम फैक्टराइजेशन के मेथड से भी हम डिवीजन कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, जो भी हमारा डिवीजन करना है, डिवीजन में जो हमारा डिविडेंड होगा और जो डिवाइजर होगा, दोनों के आप फैक्टर करेंगे. दोनों को फैक्टर करने के बाद जो भी कॉमन फैक्टर्स होंगे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में, उनको आपस में कैंसिल कर देंगे और जो शेष बचेगा हमारा वो क्या हो जाएगा, हमारा सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा, मीन्स क्वोशिएंट हो जाएगा. लेट अस टेक सम एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल नंबर फर्स्ट, दैट इज डिवाइड P4 minus Q4 by P minus Q. Here this is dividend and this is divisor, so write it as in the form of P by Q as numerator upon denominator. We can write it as P4 minus Q4 divided by P minus Q. Here we can see that P4 minus Q4 can be written as P square whole square minus Q square can be written as Q square whole square divided by P minus Q. Now using the identities A square minus B square, then the identities, by using identities it becomes P square minus Q square, and the another bracket is P square plus Q square divided by P minus Q. Is that clear? Now once again we can use identity P square minus B square. Here it can be written as P minus Q, P plus Q, and the another bracket is P square plus Q square divided by P minus Q. Here in numerator one term is P minus Q and the denominator the term is P minus Q. Both the terms in the numerator and denominator be the same. Now we can cancel this term P minus Q to the P minus Q, and the answer is P plus Q, and the second bracket is P square plus Q square. Is that clear? So here we can see that how can we divide a polynomial by using factorization method. Let us take another example. Example number 2, that is x plus y whole square minus a minus b whole square by x plus y minus a plus b. इस टाइप के जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं बेसिकली इसमें एंटिटी का यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि हमने पहले वाले एग्जांपल में हमारी जो एंटिटी यूज हुई थी वो हुई थी ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू वन ब्रैकेट ए प्लस बी एंड अनदर ब्रैकेट इज ए माइनस बी. ठीक. Come on to the next example. Here dividend is x plus y whole square minus a minus b square by divisor is x plus y minus a plus b. Now first we can write it as in the form of numerator upon denominator. It gives x plus y whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by x plus y minus a plus b. In numerator we can apply the identities a square minus b square. This is a and this is b. Now using identities it becomes one bracket a plus b. Here a is x plus y. Now x plus y minus a plus b plus b. B is a minus b. A minus b, and another bracket is a minus b. So a is x plus y. Now minus p. B is a minus b. It can be written as minus a minus b divided by x plus y minus a plus b. Now open the bracket, it becomes x plus y plus a minus b, and the another bracket is x plus y minus a plus b. Here before open the bracket, minus sign is in the outside, so multiply this minus in the bracket. It becomes x plus y minus a plus b divided by x plus y minus a plus b. Here in numerator the term x plus y minus a plus b, and the here denominator x plus y minus a plus b, both are same, so it is cancelled. So the answer is x plus y plus a minus b. Is that clear? Come on to the next question. The next question is divide x minus 1 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square by 2x minus 3. Once again we can write it as in the form of p by q, or in the form of numerator upon denominator, x minus 1 whole square minus x minus 2 is whole square. It is division, divisor is 2x minus 3. Now using the identities a square minus b square, in first bracket a minus b, x minus 1 minus x minus 2. Here a is x minus 1 and b is x minus 2. Now a minus b, and the another bracket is a plus b. Here a is x minus 1 plus b, b is x minus 2. Is that clear? Divided by 2x minus 3. Now open the bracket in numerator, it becomes x minus 1, minus can be multiplied in the bracket, so minus plus minus x minus minus plus 2, and the another bracket is x minus 1 plus x minus 2 divided by 2x minus 3. Now x cancel, it becomes minus 1 plus 2 is 1 into x cancel, no, x plus x ये दोनों सेम है, साइन है. It becomes 2x minus 1 and minus 2 it becomes minus 3 and divided by 2x minus 3. Now in numerator and denominator both terms are same, it is cancelled, then the answer is 1. Is that clear? Come on to the next question. Divide a4 b square minus a square b4 minus a4 b4 by a square b square. Now first we can write it as in the form of p upon q. So start a4 b4 b square minus a square b4 minus a4 b4 divided by a square b square. In numerator we can common a square b square, because here the least value of a is a square, least power of a is a square, and least power of b is b square. Now common a square b square from the numerator, तो अंदर क्या बचेगा हमारा a square minus b square minus a square b square divided by a square b square. In numerator and denominator both terms are same, so it is cancelled, then the answer is a square minus b square minus a square b square. This is the answer. Is that clear? Come on to the next question. We can take some more questions. Here question number 5. A to the power 8 divide a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8 by a square plus b square. Now first we can write it as in the form of numerator upon denominator. It becomes a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8 divided by a square plus b square. Now we can write it as a4 square minus b4 square. Is that clear? Divided by a square plus b square. Now using identity a square minus b square, it becomes a4 plus b4 and a4 minus b4. यहाँ हमने आइडेंटिटी का यूज किया है, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में a plus b, here a is a4 and b is b4, and the another bracket is a minus b, so a is a4 and b is b4, divided by a square plus b square. Again using identities, a square minus b square, we can write it as a4 plus b4 in bracket a4 a square का होल स्क्वायर माइनस b square का होल स्क्वायर. Now once again using identity, a square minus b square, it becomes a4 plus b4. Now it can be written as a plus b and another bracket is a minus b. Here a is a square and b is b square, a square plus b square, another bracket is a square minus b square, and divided by a square plus b square. Here in numerator and denominator both terms are same, it is cancelled out. The answer is a4 plus b4 and a square minus b square. We can write it as a plus b and a minus b. This is the answer. We can again using the identity a square minus b square here, because it is a square minus b square. Now it can be written as in the form of a plus b and a minus b. Come on to the next question. Divide 3 minus 12 x minus y whole square by 1 minus 2x plus 2y. Now it can be written as 3 minus 12 x minus y whole square divided by 1 minus 2x plus 2y. Here first we take common 3 from the numerator, it becomes 1 minus 4 x minus y whole square. Why we take common? Because 3 is not square of any number, so we can take out 3 from the numerator as a common, divided by 1 minus 2x plus 2y. Now we can write it as a square minus b square, it becomes 1 square minus 2 x minus y whole square divided by 1 minus 2x plus 2y. Now applying the identity, a square minus b square, in first bracket 1 minus 2 x minus y, and another bracket is 1 plus 2 x minus y. Now open the bracket, it becomes 3 in bracket 1 minus 2x minus 2y, and another bracket is 1 plus 2x minus 2y divided by 1 minus 2x plus 2y. Now सॉरी यहाँ प्लस किसी का माइनस साइन है तो ध्यान रखिएगा, तो 1 माइनस 2x प्लस 2y होगा. Is that clear? Now in the numerator and denominator both terms are same, so it is cancelled. 1 minus 2x plus 2y, 1 minus 2x plus 2y. Then the answer is 3 in bracket 1 plus 2x minus 2y. So with the help of this method we can solve any divide by using factorization method. Thank you.